Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today we are cleaning cooking grates from a Weber gas grill. So we've got these nasty grates, a lot of residue, a lot of food and grease and everything we don't want on the cooking grate. So we're going to clean it off. We're going to use a wire brush. We're going to use some Dawn, and we're also going to use Barkeeper's Friend. It's a combination of some elbow grease and a couple of household cleaners, and we might use the power washer too. In a large container, mix in the Barkeeper's Friend with some warm water. Soak the grates in this mixture for about a half hour. The Barkeeper's Friend will start to break down all that grime and grease off of the grates. Using the heavy-duty wire brush, start to scrub that grime off of the grates. Putting the grates on a hard surface while scrubbing will help this process. Finally, after you scrub the grates, just rinse them off. Now the grates are looking like new and ready for another grilling season. As always, thanks for watching the Everyday Workbench.